So let me just say the obvious, because there's no other way to say it. Like the rest of Jamaica, the Maverick is proud of the Reggae Girlz, who left the nation bursting with pride as they performed way above expectations. Anybody who said they genuinely expected the Reggae Girlz to come out of this group with France and Brazil should go buy a lotto for a living. Anyway, there is so much to admire about all the performances of the girls, including in that close defeat to Colombia. Passion, desire, heart, fight to the bitter end. And let me say this, when a team defends that deep and so well for so long, at this level, it's normally just a matter of time before a moment of brilliance or a mistake or a combination of both will lead to its demise. And that is what happened on that Colombia goal. But as me said, that round of 16 game was a bonus for Jamaica. And there is a lot to build on, starting with that rock-solid defense. We just need to do some work on our transition offense. And with the players we have and the youth of the team, the Reggae Girlz are definitely here to stay. Yes, yes, yes. And the Maverick loves it that way. Yeah.